Hello, customer service. This is Mark speaking.
Hello, sir. My name is Anna.
How can I help you today?
I'm calling about an issue with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I did not get my package.
Okay, can I have your order number, please?
Yes, it is 45789.
Thank you. Please wait a moment.
Okay,
I'm checking your order now.
thank you.
Your order is still in delivery.
When will I get it?
You will get it tomorrow.
Oh, I see.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yes, could you help me check my account status?
Sure. Your account is active.
That's good.
When can I expect a resolution?
Tomorrow, when the package arrives.
Okay. Thank you for calling.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Customer Service Inquiry. Dialogue 2. Thank you for calling customer support. This is Sophie speaking.
Hello, madam. My name is David.
How can I assist you today?
I'm calling about an issue with my order.
I'm sorry to hear that. Could you please explain the issue?
My order was marked as delivered, but I haven't received it.
I understand. May I have your order number, please?
Yes, it's 98231.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I check.
Sure, no problem.
I can see that your package is currently delayed.
I see. Could you help me check my account status as well?
Of course, your account is active and in good standing.
Thanks for confirming that.
The delivery team is working on the issue now.
When can I expect a resolution?
You should receive your package within 2 business days.
All right, that sounds reasonable.
I'll also send you an email update shortly.
That would be very helpful. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your support.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
A friendly call. Dialogue 1. Hello, may I speak to Sam, please? Yes, speaking. Who is this? Hi, Sam. This is Alex. How are you? Hi, Alex. I'm good. Nice to hear from you. It's been a long time. How have you been? I've been fine. How about you? I'm doing well, thank you. What's new with you these days? Not much. I work and stay at home mostly. Are you still working at the same place? Yes, I am. It's busy, but okay. Do you do anything fun after work? Sometimes I watch movies. That sounds nice. Anything exciting happening recently? I started walking every morning. That's great. It helps me feel fresh. How is your family? They are fine and healthy. I'm happy to hear that. It was really nice talking to you. Yes, I enjoyed our call. Let's talk again soon. Sure, take care. Bye. Bye.
Catching up. Dialogue 2.
Hello, this is Daniel speaking.
Hi, Daniel. It's Emma. Is now a good time to talk?
Hi, Emma. Yes, I have time. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. It's been a while.
Yes, it really has. How have you been lately?
I've been pretty good, just busy with work.
Same here. Work has been hectic recently.
Are you still working at the same company?
Yes, but I recently joined a new team.
That sounds interesting. How do you feel about it?
I like it so far. It's challenging, but exciting.
That's great. Anything exciting happening in your life?
Actually, I started taking photography classes.
Wow, that's amazing.
What about you? What's new these days?
I've been exercising more and trying to stay healthy.
That's a good habit.
How's your family doing?
They're doing well. Thanks for asking.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm really glad you called.
Me too. It was great catching up.
We should meet in person sometime.
Definitely. Let's plan it soon.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too. Talk to you soon. Bye. Making plans. Dialogue 1.
Hello, may I speak to Lily, please?
Yes, speaking. Who is this?
Hi, Lily. This is Tom. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm calling to make some plans.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free on Saturday.
Great. How about meeting on Saturday afternoon?
That sounds good to me.
What time do you like?
Maybe around 3 p.m.?
Yes, that works for me.
Where do you want to meet?
Let's meet at the city park.
I like that place.
We can walk and talk there.
Yes, that will be fun.
Does that time work for you?
Yes, it works perfectly.
Great. I'm happy we made a plan.
Me too. I'm excited.
See you on Saturday.
See you then.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Making plans. Dialogue 2.
Hi, Sarah. This is Michael calling.
Hi, Michael. Nice to hear from you.
I was wondering if you're free this weekend.
Let me think. I'm free on Saturday, but not on Sunday.
Saturday works for me.
Great. What did you have in mind?
How about meeting on Saturday afternoon?
That sounds good. What time are you thinking?
Maybe around 4 p.m.?
4 p.m. is fine for me.
Perfect. Does that time work for you?
Yes, it works well.
Where would you like to meet?
How about the new cafe near the mall?
That's a great idea. I've heard good things about it.
We can have coffee and chat.
Sounds relaxing.
Should we stay for an hour or 2?
An hour should be fine.
Okay, let's do that.
I'll text you the details later.
Perfect. Thanks for calling.
No problem. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. See you on Saturday.
See you then. Take care.
Bye. Giving important information. Dialogue 1.
Hello, may I speak to Nina, please?
Yes, this is Nina speaking.
Hi, Nina. This is Paul.
Hi, Paul. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, but I'm calling to let you know about a change.
Oh, okay. What is it?
The meeting time is different now.
I see. What is the new time?
It is at 4 p.m., not 3 p.m.
Okay, thanks for telling me.
There's something important I need to tell you.
Sure, go ahead.
The meeting room is also changed.
Oh, really? Which room now?
Room 205 on the second floor.
Got it. Room 205.
Yes, just a quick update for you.
I understand. Thanks for the update.
Do you have any questions?
No, everything is clear.
Great. See you later today.
See you. Thanks again. Giving important information. Dialogue 2.
Hi, Olivia. This is James calling.
Hi, James. Is everything all right?
Yes, everything's fine. I'm calling to give you a quick update.
Okay, thanks for letting me know.
I'm calling to let you know about a change in tomorrow's schedule.
Oh, I'm glad you called. What's changed?
The presentation has been moved to a later time.
What time will it start now?
It will start at 5 p.m. instead of 4 p.m.
All right, that still works for me.
There's something else important I need to tell you.
Sure, go ahead.
The client will be joining the meeting online.
Thanks for the update. That's good to know.
Just a quick update regarding the location as well.
Has that changed too?
Yes, we'll be in the main conference room now.
Got it. I'll make a note of that.